Climb inside the 2008 Kia Spectra5. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback has not yet reached the 160,000 kilometer mark. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and ABS brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.